This video will explore the different formats of digital information that we encounter daily. The web has become a massive repository for content. Initially, the free flow of information led to the illegal downloading of copyrighted digital content. This posed a problem for content authors and industries, as they did not receive appropriate remuneration. The content value chain is long, involving various organizations, providers, and solution providers. The music industry, in particular, was affected by the dramatic increase in unauthorized downloading of MP3 files. A file format is a standard way information is encoded for digital storage. It specifies how bits are used to encode information. File formats can be proprietary or free, unpublished or open. Examples include image, audio, video, and text formats. Digital information is categorized into several types of file formats, including image, audio, video, and text formats. Image file formats are standardized means of storing digital images, often aiming to reduce file size and download time. Images can be stored in uncompressed, compressed, or vector formats, and once rasterized, become a grid of pixels. The common types of image formats include GIF, JPEG, and PNG. GIF, or Graphic Interchange Format, uses lossless compression and supports 8-bit colors. It is suitable for text, artwork, icons, and cartoons, and is supported by all browsers, although it results in large file sizes. JPEG, or Joint Photographic Experts Group, uses lossy compression and supports 24-bit colors. It is supported by all browsers and is ideal for photographs, offering smaller file sizes compared to GIF. PNG, or Portable Network Graphics, uses lossless compression and supports 24-bit colors. It is suitable for text and icons, and typically has a smaller file size than both GIF and JPEG. However, it is not supported by all browsers. An audio file format stores digital audio data, which can be uncompressed or compressed to reduce size. It often uses a container format or an audio data format with a defined storage layer. Types of audio file formats include MPEG, WAV, MIDI, WMA, AIFF, and AAC. Moving Picture Experts Group, or MPEG files, utilize lossy data compression. Commonly saved as MP3, they are used for digital music and audiobooks. 1 minute of music takes about 1 megabyte of storage space. WWAV, or Resource Interchange File Format Waveform, is an uncompressed audio format. It is a proprietary format that supports both monaural and stereo audio. 1 minute of stereo music requires approximately 10 megabytes of storage. MIDI, or Musical Instrument Digital Interface, files are very small and uncompressed. They describe how to create sound based on predefined instruments and never contain the human voice. A small MIDI file can hold over a minute of music. WMA, or Windows Media Audio, uses lossy compression developed by Microsoft. It is widely recognized by various players and jukeboxes, and is a non-proprietary alternative to MP3 for storing music files. AIFF, or Audio Integrated File Format, is Apple's native uncompressed audio format for the Macintosh. It is larger than MP3, but supports the highest possible audio recording quality, from 48K through to lower quality settings. AAC, or Advanced Audio Coding, is a standardized lossy compression format. Intended as a successor to MP3, it generally offers better audio quality and is the default format for many digital audio players. Video file formats consist of 2 types, analog and digital. Common digital examples include MPEG, MOV, AVI, WMV, Real Video, and SWF. The common types of video file formats are MPEG, MOV, AVI, WMV, Real Video, and SWF. MPEG, or Motion Picture Experts Group, is a common format for digital videos and movies. File names use the extensions .mpg or .mpeg, with the latest version, MPEG-4, using .mp4. MOV, or QuickTime Movie, was developed by Apple Macintosh, but is now recognized by all personal computers. QuickTime Movies use the .mov or QT file name extensions. AVI, or Audio/Video Interleave, was developed by Microsoft for Windows-based computers. It uses the .avi file name extension and is the nominal standard for Windows personal computers. WMV, or Windows Media Video, is proprietary to Microsoft licensed products. These files use the .wmv extension and are not widely recognized by non-Windows players. They are intended for playback, not editing. Real Video is a proprietary format that uses .rm, .ram, or .ra extensions. It is primarily used for real-time streaming of audio and video and requires real player software. SWF, or small web format, was originally Shockwave Flash. It uses the .swf extension and is a format for multimedia, vector graphics, and ActionScript in the Adobe Flash environment. It is the dominant format for animated vector graphics on the web. Text file formats use bytes to represent text characters encoded using a specific system, which becomes important for non-ASCII characters. These formats include strategies for structuring data fields in a regular pattern. Many text formats use different lines for rows of data and employ strategies to separate values within each row. This includes fixed-width formats and separated formats, like comma-separated, tab-separated, and space-separated values. Common types of text file formats are DO/DOCX, RTF, TXT, HTML, PDF, and ZIP. Microsoft Word files use the .doc extension, containing special formatting and layout codes. The newer .docx format incorporates XML, improving integration with Internet applications. Word 2007 can read and save documents in both formats. RTF, or Rich Text Format, is designed for transferring documents between word processing software. These files use the .rtf extension. While text formatting is rich, page layout options are limited. WordPad defaults to creating RTF documents. TXT documents contain only text, with individual characters encoded into bytes. This simple format is highly portable, editable across many applications, and stores no formatting information. Notepad defaults to creating TXT documents. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, files use .htm or HTML extensions. They contain codes translated by browsers into web pages. The format is freely available and controlled by a public interest standards body, allowing viewing in any web browser. PDF, or Portable Document Format, files use the .pdf extension and are created using Adobe Acrobat. They store text, formatting, and page size information, but are generally read only. The format is owned by Adobe, but viewing software is free. Zip files are compressed data files using the .zip extension. They can contain several compressed files, called an archive, under one file name. Many personal computers now recognize and can unzip zip files. Thank you for watching this video on the various formats of digital information.